Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix iPhone not ringing and incoming calls. If your iPhone is not ringing for incoming calls, it is often due to sound settings, focus modes, or simple configuration issues. These problems can prevent alerts even when calls are coming through. By checking key settings, you can restore normal ringing behavior. To begin, check the ring or silent switch. Make sure the side switch is not set to silent, no orange visible, or it is set to ring mode. Increase volume. Press the volume up button to raise the ringer level. Open settings. Tap the settings app on your iPhone. Go to sounds and haptics. Ensure the ringer and alerts slider is turned up. Turn up silence and on colors. Via settings, apps, phone, and disable this option if needed. Check focus modes. Via settings again, focus, and ensure do not disturb is off. Allow calls in focus. If focus is on, allow calls from everyone or selected contacts. Check ringtone. Go to sounds and haptics, ringtone, and select a valid tone, not the none. Disable Bluetooth audio routing. Turn off Bluetooth or disconnect devices that may receive the sound. Check blocked contacts. Via settings again, apps, phone, blocked contacts, and review the list. Restart your iPhone. Reboot your device to fix temporary issues. Update iOS. Via settings again, general, software update, and install updates. Reset all settings. Via settings again, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, and tap reset all settings. Test with another call. Use a different phone to confirm that your iPhone rings properly. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.